read the following story. Perfect fantasy. Did we know that word? Then let's learn this to remember this one.
Clatter. Clatter. Clatter.
Clatter, actually, I think it was used a noun. A rattling sound. A rattling sound. Okay. As of hand, hard, boil, bodies. As the hard bodies. Striking together. Okay, like the parts, okay, and pans. The clatter of the parts and the pan. Let me show you. Okay. Yeah, there is a fantasy. Yeah, like that. You see? The clatter of pots and pans. Yeah. Okay. The clatter of pots and pans. Okay, the rattling sound. Okay. Let's name this a fantasy. Fantasy. Village. Yeah, the clutch. No, not like that. Anyway, yeah, that's to make the sound, and let's name the fantasy. Fantasy, okay. Fantasy, like a fairy. Okay.
Fantasy. Fantasy.
Fantasy.
Fantasy.
Fantasy. Okay, actually this explained very well. Something that is produced by the imagination. Imagination, okay. His plans are pure fantasy. Okay.
Fantasy.
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 Okay. Fantasy. Fantasy. Okay. So, should listen. You should hear yourself. Dream. Okay. Dream. Daydream. It could mean imagination. Yeah, fairy tale. Okay. Story. Okay. That all the things that related to imagination, right? Something to. Okay. Fantasy.
Fantasy.
Fantasy. Fantasy. Fantasy. Okay. Imagination. Okay. Okay. A perfect fantasy. A perfect fantasy. No.
The following pronunciation is brought
Layla,
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 Do we have the correct pronunciation?
Layla, okay. Okay, Layla. Layla sat at school lunch table, staring, look it, okay, staring, staring. Okay, it is this word, staring. Okay, it's that's staring. I think it is a stare. Okay, then you remove the e at ing, staring. Okay. Yeah, stare. You see? Look there. Look straight. Stare. Okay. What's this word? Fantasy.
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 Fantasy. Dream. Imagination. Imagination. Okay. Not real. Okay, the thing's not real. Fantasy. Listen.
Stare,
Stare.
stare, stare,
Okay, staring. Okay. Stare. Stare. Rain. Stare. Rain. Okay. It basically comes from here. Stare. You remove the e and ing. Staring. Okay, staring. Staring. Okay, just look straight and look fixed. Okay, open with wide open eyes.
stare,
Stare.
stare, stare,
Okay, so Layla sat at the school lunch table, staring up into space. Okay, you just look at the space. Okay. Why aren't you eating? Oma good asked. Yeah. I am imagining the characters from my short story. I have figured out everything I want them to do. It's going to be so perfect. The judges will be blown away. Blown away means they will be surprised and the judge will think it's good. Okay. She said. After school, Leia wrote furiously usually means angry. Okay. Furiously means, I think here it means continuously doing it. Furious. You say like that. What's that?
stare, stare, stare,
Stare into the space. Furiously. Impassionate, you see.
Furious. Furious. Furious.
Okay.
Furious.
Furious. Very angry. Adjective. Yeah, furious usually means.
Furious.
Furious usually means very angry, but here it means this one. Okay. Very active. Or fast. We walked all night as
at a furious
pace.
pace.
Speed, okay, pace, okay. We worked all night at a furious
Pace.
okay,
Furious.
Yes.
okay,
Very active or fast.
okay.
Furious.
Fierce.
Case note furious.
Fierce.
Note
Furious.
good.
Fierce.
Okay, can spell it.
F-U-R-I-O. U-S. Furious.
Furious.
Fierce.
Okay. Intense.
Intense.
Okay. Okay. Actively. Okay. Fast. Okay. After school, Naina.
Wrote furiously in her notebook. The characters left felt alive in her bedroom. Their
Voices.
voices echoed
Good.
as if they were really there. I will totally win the story contest. She thought, reading
Reading. Rereading. Read it again. Rereading.
rereading her work. The next day, she showed her story to Oma.
I'm not sure how to pronounce it. We have this.
Pepe.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Used when you
Hesitate.
because you are not sure about what to say.
Okay.
Are you coming to the party? I think so.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, you should take it a while to think about it. Okay.
You have got a great idea. He stammered.
What's that?
Mm. Mm.
Hesitate. Okay.
Stammer.
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 Stammer. To peak.
Speak.
To speak with many
Pauses.
and repetitions because you have a speech problem or because you are very nervous.
Frightened. Okay.
He
Stammers.
when he is nervous.
Okay. It's not stammered.
Stammer.